Electrical issues can appear without warning, and finding the real source of a voltage problem becomes difficult without the right tools. That is why choosing the best voltage testers matters when you want fast, reliable, and safe readings every time you check a circuit. These testers help identify faults, confirm power flow, and keep your work accurate whether you are fixing a vehicle or examining home wiring. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let us get started. Number 1. JASTIND Heavy-Duty Digital LED Test Light. The JASTIND Heavy-Duty Digital LED Test Light is a dependable choice for users who need consistent performance across a wide range of low direct current voltage applications. This tool offers a broad testing range from 3 volts to 72 volts, making it suitable for cars, trucks, trailers, and various equipment that rely on battery-powered systems. It is designed for people who want clear and simple voltage checks without dealing with complicated steps or advanced technical knowledge. The built-in digital light ensures accurate readings, while the bright indicators help users quickly understand polarity during testing. One reason this tester stands out is its durable design. It uses a stainless steel probe that provides strong resistance against bending or damage during tough inspection work. This is practical for users who frequently diagnose wiring problems in tight spaces or rugged environments. The extended wire length, measuring 142 inches, gives enough room to reach distant parts of the vehicle without struggling to reposition the tool. This helps keep the testing process smooth and reduces the need to constantly adjust your working position. Another strong benefit is the clear visual lighting that simplifies the testing experience. When dealing with circuits in dim areas, the illuminated tip offers better visibility, helping you trace wires accurately. The rugged construction also supports long-term use, meaning the tool can withstand repeated bending and movement without compromising its performance. This reliability makes it a great option for professional mechanics, hobbyists, and everyday users who want a tester that will not fail in the middle of a job. Number 2. KAIWEETS Non-Contact Voltage Tester. The KAIWEETS non-contact voltage tester offers a different level of convenience by eliminating the need for direct contact with wires during testing. This tool is made for both beginners and experienced users who want a safer way to detect alternating current voltage without touching exposed connections. Its dual-range capability helps identify voltage from 12 volts up to 1,000 volts, making it suitable for home wiring, appliances, and general electrical inspections. The signal percentage display gives a useful reading that allows users to understand how strong the detected voltage is in a specific area. A key advantage is the non-contact design. This allows users to identify live wires, faulty outlets, or damaged cords simply by bringing the tip near the surface. The audible and visual alarms create an instant warning, helping users stay aware of potential hazards. The built-in flashlight makes it even easier to inspect dark or cramped spaces, especially when dealing with electrical boxes or hard-to-reach corners. This tool also includes a breakpoint finder that helps locate exactly where a wire may have an internal break, which is extremely useful for diagnosing appliance failures or lighting issues. The clear liquid crystal display screen presents readings in a clear and understandable format. Whether you are testing outlets, examining extension cords, or looking for wiring defects in lighting fixtures, the display simplifies the identification process. This tool is lightweight and easy to carry, allowing electricians and homeowners to keep it on hand for quick checks throughout the day. Number 3. VENLAB Non-Contact Voltage Detector. The VENLAB Non-Contact Voltage Detector is a highly practical option for everyday electrical testing, offering dual range from 12 volts to 1,000 volts and 48 volts to 1,000 volts. This flexibility makes it a reliable tool for identifying live wires, diagnosing faulty circuits, and performing routine electrical safety checks. The non-contact design reduces risk for users by avoiding direct wire contact, making it ideal for beginners or those working in environments where safety is essential. Its straightforward structure allows simple operation without requiring advanced electrical knowledge. One standout feature of this device is the integrated alarm and lighting system. When the tester detects voltage, the built-in alert provides a clear signal through sound and flashing lights. This ensures that users do not miss important warnings even in noisy or poorly lit environments. The included flashlight improves visibility during night inspections or when working in confined spaces, such as behind appliances, inside breaker boxes, or near wall panels. This enhances overall convenience and allows users to work efficiently in various conditions. The liquid crystal display helps present readings in a clear and understandable format. Whether you are testing outlets, examining extension cords, or looking for wiring defects in lighting fixtures, the display simplifies the identification process. This tool is lightweight and easy to carry, allowing electricians and homeowners to keep it on hand for quick checks throughout the day. Number 4. AWBL Automotive Digital LED Circuit Tester. The AWBL Automotive Digital LED Circuit Tester is tailored for people who frequently work with DC systems across cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other battery-powered equipment. It offers a wide testing range from 3 volts to 60 volts, giving users a reliable tool for diagnosing various electrical issues. The digital readout provides real-time voltage information, allowing users to understand the exact state of a connection or component during inspection. This supports accurate troubleshooting when dealing with fuses, sensors, relays, lights, or battery problems. One helpful feature is the auto bidirectional voltage testing, which allows the tester to read power flow regardless of direction. This makes it easier to identify circuit behavior without switching probes or adjusting the setup. The stainless steel testing probe provides durability, allowing users to push through wire installation or reach tight locations without worrying about bending or breaking. This solid build makes the device well-suited for demanding automotive environments where precision tools are needed to perform consistent diagnostics. The extended wire design gives users flexibility to reach distant areas of the vehicle without limitation. This extra length proves useful when checking trailer wiring, taillights, or under-the-hood connections while maintaining comfortable movement. The integrated lighting helps illuminate dark sections, ensuring users can see what they're testing even when working outdoors at night or in shaded engine bays. Number 5. JASTIND Backlit Digital LCD Circuit Tester. The JASTIND Backlit Digital LCD Circuit Tester is designed for users who need a dependable tester for vehicles and low-voltage systems. Its wide working range from 3 volts to 65 volts makes it suitable for diagnosing problems in cars, trucks, boats, and other equipment that depend on battery power. The backlit display helps users read voltage clearly even in dim or shadowed environments, making it ideal for nighttime repairs or indoor garage work. One of the strongest qualities of this tester is the extended spring wire. Measuring 140 inches, it offers enough length to reach across large vehicles without forcing users to reposition themselves constantly. This extra flexibility saves time and provides better mobility during inspections. The stainless steel probe further enhances the tool's durability, ensuring it can withstand heavy use and exposure to tough working conditions. The tester provides quick and accurate voltage readings, helping users locate weak connections, faulty components, or improper ground points. Detecting issues becomes easier when the digital screen indicates the exact voltage level instead of relying on visual guesswork. The illumination built into the device allows users to navigate dark engine compartments, underbody sections, and other areas where visibility is limited.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.